Welcome back to another vlog, and so today we have just pulled out the motor of the 78 Monte Carlo, and I showed the interior on the other vlog, but so here's how it looks now. It's kind of bare, but anyway, so the motor was all full of gunk. The oil, there were like metal chunks, like probably like this thick, but so yeah, it was really bad. Transmission. The motor, kind of good. I think we still might use this camshaft because it's not the stock camshaft, but the oil was super bad. And then, so here's the two blocks. And the transmission, we're either going to overhaul that or get a new one. We're just probably going to overhaul it though. I don't know. And so we are probably going to go and look at the engine that we're going to put in now. So and here's the car again. So the back frame, we were just feeling it, and it is like bendy, so back frame is shot. Well, it's gonna be a short video, but make sure to leave a like and subscribe, and have a great day.